Basic scan policy creation with Nessus. After you log in, the Scans page loads. Navigate to your scan policies. On the Policies page, click the New Policy button. You can create simple policies and scans quickly using streamlined nessus templates. Tenable provides templates along with regular plugin and software updates to help you rapidly respond to current critical threats. The most commonly used templates are the Basic Network Scan, Credentialed Patch Audit, and Host Discovery. A host discovery scan is a good starting point since it runs quickly. It provides an inventory of systems and open ports on your network. A basic network scan goes a step further, assessing hosts by probing a variety of commonly used ports to check exposed services for vulnerabilities. You can choose to add credentials, customize the ports to scan, and add web application checks with this template. A credentialed patch audit uses credentials to authenticate to and assess the host. This is the most accurate scan type, and it gathers the most information. The Advanced Policy template lets you access all available settings for creating a custom policy. These include advanced discovery, assessment and performance options, adding compliance checks, and enabling and disabling individual plugins. Other Nessus templates make it easy to perform web application tests, malware scanning, compliance audits, and internal PCI DSS scans. These templates expose only the settings required for the scan type, allowing you to accomplish your scanning goals quickly and easily. For this demonstration, select Basic Network Scan from the Template menu. Provide a name and description for your scan policy. We've named this example Internal Network Scan. In the Permissions section, you can define default permissions that allow other users to choose this policy when creating scans. You can customize the scan policy by modifying the settings to suit your needs. Since this is a basic internal scan, we do not need to change any of these settings or add credentials. The default settings are appropriate for most networks. Individual settings will be covered in another video. Once completed, click the Save button. The second part of this demonstration shows how to manipulate an existing policy and add credentials. Select the checkbox next to the previously created policy. From the menu that appears, select Copy. Click on the name of the copy that you just created to edit the name. Change it to Credentialed Scan. Set the permissions to Can Use. Navigate to the Credentials section and add your administrative Windows credentials. You can also configure additional Windows-related settings. If desired, enable the options to start the remote registry service during the scan and enable administrative shares during the scan. Next, add administrative SSH credentials. Select the desired authentication method. Enter the credentials for the machines that have SSH authentication, such as Linux or Unix targets. You can also configure additional SSH-related settings. Save the policy. Now that you have added credentials to the basic network scan policy, it can conduct credentialed scans against both Windows and SSH-based targets. On any targets where the provided credentials do not work, Nessus will instead conduct a network-based scan.